Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you the best travel insurance for the US of A. Travel insurance is one of the best travel insurance for the USA. Travel Safe Insurance is a company that offers travel insurance plans to protect travelers from unexpected events during their trips. These plans typically include coverage for trip cancellation or interruption, medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, baggage loss or delay, and other travel-related risks. For application, firstly provide trip details, plans, traveler details, and in the end payment. For trip details, first you have to choose the state of residency, then choose the destination country. You can also select more than one country. After that, select your departure date along with your return date. Now choose the date of the first deposit, total trip cost, and total number of travelers. For traveler details, choose your date of birth and the trip cost of all the travelers. Get a quote and plans will get opened. It will show basic, classic, and CFAR plans. In basic, it costs $78, classic costs $98, and CFAR is $174. For trip cancellations, basic, classic, and CFAR plans provide 100% non-refundable trip costs. After reading all of that, I have chosen a basic plan. In traveler details, type your first and last name, along with your email address and mobile phone number. Type your street addresses 1 and 2 as per choice. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.